Hi there, I have 3 questions for you. Number 1, do you believe in the work that you do has value? Number 2, do you believe you and your team are a team of experts? Number 3, do you believe you should be paid your worth? If you answered yes to all those 3 things, then you're watching the right video, because this is all about, if you know your stuff, let's help you get paid your worth. The challenge is, this is what I call the skills gap. In school, in varsity, tertiary education, on-the-job training, they focus a lot on your technical skills. So your technical skills is probably sitting between an 8 and a 9. You're expert in your industry. However, if you're honest and think about your sales skills, your communication skills, your pricing skills, honestly, it's probably around a 5 or 6 in relation to how much you invest in your technical skills. And that's where the problem lies. But good news is we're here to bridge it, because the flagship program that I offer is from Proficiency called Profit, and it's all about, if you know your stuff, if you're expert in your industry, and if you have value in what you do, let's turn that into profit over a 5 months coaching program. Now, what I have basically done is summarize more than 20 years of proof and industry, real inside nitty-gritty, and I summarize it into a 5 months program. And it says from proficiency to profit. There's lots of P's. Well, actually, there's 5 P's. So let me walk you through what are those 5 P's that will be covered in the program. Well, actually, the first thing is you need to have hunger and humility. It's got nothing to do with P's. So if you're not hungry to learn, if you're not humble enough to say, hey, listen, I might not know everything, then we might not be the best fit to work together. But if you're hungry and humble, book a call with me and let's have a chat. So the first P is the pain. This is obvious, and unfortunately, it's not so obvious when it comes to companies. If you are not selling a pain, if you're not clear on the pain, the challenges, the hopes and dreams that people need to obtain, why they should they pay you money? So you need to be very, very clear in terms of what the pain is. Second of all, once you know what the pain is, offer them a solution, offer them a product. You need to have a menu of product that matches the pain that you're describing. And the third P is plain language. So oftentimes when we go to a branch, we'll share stories, we'll share like everyday language, but all of a sudden when we're in a business meeting, we'll switch to these big words. No, plain English, because when you confuse, you will lose. Now, the fourth P is actually one of my favorite. It's all about pricing correctly. I call it pricing on purpose. And the reason why I call that is a lot of time we spend time on marketing, in social media, in doing different campaigns, in research and development, and the pricing of the product is like an afterthought, basically market related. I'm telling you now, you're missing big time on profit, which we'll get to when we cover it. The fifth P and the final P is profitable clients. Once you know all these 4 Ps, you'll be able to target and you'll be able to figure out who your real profitable clients are. And I'm telling you now, from my experience from working with clients, they already have profitable clients. They just never really gone into the characteristics of them. So this is what's covered in the 5 months coaching program, from proficiency to profit. Well, before we sign off, just want to share with you some of the people that have either experienced my keynote or my sales coaching. This is from PJ. I was a keynote speaker at the event, and he mentioned how it was practical and effective, and people really enjoyed it. Jeff is one of my past clients, and he mentioned how I've helped their company boost their sales growth. And then here's Douglas Knight. He mentioned that I teach him a new way to sell and ask good questions. That was a big thing that he learned, to ask good key questions. Finally, the lady Suna. They run a company called Nala Help, and she mentioned how I provide them with an easy to navigate roadmap and to help them be able to find their words. So what is the results? The results of that is 63% of the clients have double their sales. 63% have doubled their sales. So that is my brand promise to you. Now, if this sounds good to you and your team, like I said, book a call on any place you see on the website that says book a call with Charles, and let's set up a chat, and let's see if we are a right match. Until next time, see you later.